In this video, we are going to talk about a couple of new Google AdWords tricks or Google Ads tricks for 2019 and beyond. So guess what? Some of these tips are going to be kind of new ones, and then you're going to have some that are, think about it, sometimes what is old is now new again. Talking about this, it's like, I get a lot of people, they're like, what should we do around Google Ads, sir? Well, there are a couple new things, but it's for the most part, they've been doing a good job of kind of maintaining their search algorithm, which is like what they do in terms of SEO. And then around paid media or paid ads, they've kind of been increasing kind of incrementally in the last couple of years. Google has invested a ton into artificial intelligence. They've gone and bought a couple of startups and AI startups, data startups. What I will tell you, the first thing, every company that's going to succeed in the future is going to be a data company. Right? You have to have some way of taking the data you have, maybe creating some form of API, and then letting these other tools, software kind of connect with each other, let them talk nice to each other. That way you can leverage the data to make more powerful business decisions. YouTube is still the second largest search engine in the world. A lot of people use it. So specifically around YouTube advertising, custom intent audiences. If I am searching for orange coffee mug in Google, I can actually show all people that have kind of searched for orange coffee mugs a YouTube video specifically around orange coffee mugs. Think about how powerful that is. I go to Google, I type in the search, orange coffee mugs, and then I go to YouTube later when I'm messing around and I see an orange coffee mug ad. Or it's like, oh, I think I searched that later. I think I might take an action. The other thing you have is custom affinity audiences. They can see who's in market, kind of who's kind of looking to buy right now, right? Based on the actions they've taken. Maybe in Gmail, they've kind of searched for family portraits, and then they go to YouTube and they search the same thing as well. Maybe they walk around like a frame store and that person has some type of Google thing, like app installed on their phone, right? So they have all these data points. How in the world are they not going to know that you're looking to take an action, right? They can say like, a top, 5 to 10% of these people are looking to take an action. If they have those data points and you can leverage that, you're gonna make better business decisions. Now, this is not exactly new, but not a lot of people do this. RLSA, so Remarketing Lists for search ads. If somebody visits our website, so our website gets about 200,000 visits a month right now, I only wanna target those people that have visited our website and are typing in a keyword. So a keyword like marketing agency is actually very expensive. We're talking $20 to $30 per click. I don't wanna target everybody that's searching marketing agency. I only want to target people that have visited my website for over 5 minutes and then are looking on Google for marketing agency, okay? That's a lot more powerful. Or if I even want to take it one step further, I'll say, I only want to target people that have visited our case studies page for over 10 minutes in California, specifically only in San Francisco, and I want to target those keywords. That way I'm not spending that much money, and the people that click are a lot more qualified because they know who I am, because they spent more time on my website, because they spent a lot of time on that page as well. Let's not forget about site links. If you are buying ads, let's say for our company, Single Grain, the marketing agency, when people search for Single Grain, I want to occupy more real estate. Even though we rank #1 and #2 in Google, like organically, I want to have the paid result too. I don't only want to have the paid result where it just says Single Grain. I want to have like testimonials. I want to have like services. I want to have like case studies, right? I want to occupy more real estate. So without a shadow of a doubt, people will click on my result and they're not just gonna click some other bozo result. The final thing I'll add right now is take your Google Ads, hook it in with your YouTube channel, hook it in with your Google Analytics profile, and you're gonna be able to combine that data too, okay? So we talked about how everybody's becoming a data company, but you gotta focus more on data too. You gotta leverage the data that you have right now and use it to your advantage, because a lot of people aren't doing this stuff right now. So here's your chance to get a leg up on your competition. I'll give you a bonus too. If you're not using any type of like automated, if you're not going like at scale right now using like DoubleClick or Kenshu or whatever, like a lot of large companies do, you can basically say you wanna use Google AdWords editor or Google Ads editor now, which allows you to edit ads at scale. Those are just a couple things that you can do when it comes to new tricks around Google Ads for kind of 2019 and beyond. And don't forget to party as well. Let us know what you plan to do in the comments, right? Whether it's you found something new, custom intent, custom infinity, like let us know what you plan to do with one of these and then leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out our video around kind of marketing trends for 2019 and beyond, and we'll see you tomorrow.